Et puis comme tu disais que à la banque, si tu as un projet solide et tout, hello everyone. My name is Eliel Kabimbi from DRC, and today I'm going to talk about one company. The company is Brightway Energy Group. This company is located in Xi'an, and then we are going to introduce all the company workshop, the factory of the company where we are today, and then we are going to do a short and fast introduction of the company, and then from there we will see all the equipment and how the engineers are working here, how the people working here are making everything from the scratch to the final product. Let's do a small introduction of the company. The company is a company created in October 2012, and it's located in Xi'an. Xi'an was the oldest and ancient town of China and ancient capital of China. And then from there we can start and see what Brightway is doing. Brightway is a company mainly focused on the oil and gas equipment, which are the equipment we are manufacturing here. Brightway is a company who is exporting their service in more than 70 countries. Is have more than 11 branches abroad and outside of China, but the main branch are here in Xi'an where we are. And then globally we have more than 20 agents, and then more than 100 property rentals. This is our market layout. The market layout is showing where we are based on. As we can see on the map, we are based in China, and then the rest of our global market are in America, Nigeria, India, and Russia. These are the branch where we already install our branch. But from except of that, we have other branch which is point on the map, like Congo, Brazzaville, Argentina, and Brazil, sorry, which is like some of our branch also. As we can see also from here, we have also different qualification. We have qualification of honor and some qualification which are important for us. That qualification is helping us to export from outside of China. Qualification of solid control equipment technology center. One of the qualification we have the national high-tech enterprise, and then the expert skill unique innovation enterprise also. From here we can see this is a technical pattern we have. This is a Brightway has over 100 intellectual property patents. As you can see, this is a corporate culture, and then the corporate team that we have from here, as you can see from there, this is our corporate team that is showing like we are open to different culture, different sites. We are collaborating with people from everywhere. And then from here we can see the important customer that we have. We are collaborating with a lot of customers, but we can see some of the most important and the big company that we are collaborating with as Sinopec, for example, Petrobras and Pakistan State Oil. Some of the company are based in China as company, and some of them are outside company, which are big company, are exported from outside also. As we can see here, we have our drilling rig mud system. This drilling mud system can go over 15,000 meters, which are very, very, very high. And then with the first created deep underground high temperature purification system, the first created multi-field, multi-substance collection system, and the first created full solution, full system, full made in China. All these things are made in China, and Brightway are the one manufacturing all these things. And then we have the CCTV exclusive interview, which our chairman was invited to come and talk about the manufacturing of the company, how we're exporting from outside, and then those are the interview which are making the company making bigger to see from a lot of people. From there we can go, and then we can see these are some of machine we are going to introduce. We are going to introduce slowly each machines. One thing that I can talk about before starting introducing the machine, before entering here in the factory, everyone have to be protected. Everyone has to wear at least a helmet. Some who are going to work have to wear gloves and everything. So let's start from this machine here. Let's start from some of the machine around here. Those are the machines where we are refining. Is the last machine that we are using for refining after the product came from the welded. Let's start from this machine here. Those are one of the machines that we use for the refining. This is the last one actually. After coming from a long process, this is the last one. As you can see, there's some of them that have already been refined, and then we are using those machines, this machine here, for the last refining product. As I can show you one, like this one. They are coming from here. It's like to polish the machine and to make it clear and clean actually. Those are made from those machines after coming from the welded, where we will go, and then we are going to make it from everything. And then I'm going to introduce some of the other machines here. The second one after that one, this machine here, to clean, to refine actually. Before going to the machine, before going inside, it's look like this. This is before going inside, and then after going inside, being clean and then being arranged, it will come like this, clean, without any scratch. And then from there, it will go to the other machine to be clean and polished also. And then let's start going from this side also. These are the first etap of the refining machine. We put this type of product here inside. This one will go here. This will make it to refine them. And then the polished version, all the particular we are using and we are putting inside in the bin. Then to get the final product, this, for example, this product, to get the final product is the one we are using to put in the vertical cutting dryer, which is spinning faster and then separates the mud and the liquid in a very high temperature and very high speed. As we can go faster, so we can see. As you can see here, we have an engineer. They are working on all the machines, and then all the machines are working. All these three machines from here to there are the same actually. They are more for about refining. They are more about cleaning actually. Let's go and then we will see. All this machine here is for refining, and then let's go and introduce one of the machine that is more based for cutting and designing the metal. The machine there are very good for it. Come with me and let's go and then see. As you can see from here, actually, as you can see from here, this one here, it helps to refine them. Before going to the process which I was talking about before, this higher machine is help to mold actually the metal, to help to mold the metal and then to give them the shape that we want. And then from here, after giving them the shape, we will put into the other machine there. They will refine them, making them a clean version of what we are expecting, a good version of the product that we want, the final product actually. And then after here, this is like the refining part of the company. We can go to the next part actually. All this here, the part that have to be refined. They are the last part that have to be refined and everything. And then we are going to introduce each part of the company and then each part of this beautiful. Mm. Okay, and then from here we are going to go where the welded machine are done. From where we are taking the machine from the scratch, the product from the scratch, from nothing to the final product which we are going to see later. Let's go to the workshop there, and then before going there we will see this side here. Safety first, safety first. So before that, this where is going is the workshop where we are keeping all the product. If someone needs something, a piece or any pieces that you need, you will have to go here to ask for anything. You need to sign for it, and then you can take anything that you want. And then let's go to the refining part, from the welded part of the factory. This factory is a very, very big factory. Everything here is separated and clean. We have arranged them in a way of like, we know where everything it is. Let's start with the first thing, is the laser cutting machine. As we can see here, we have this laser cutting machine. This cutting machine is helping to cut all the metal sheet actually, to give them shape. And then we are using a kind of laser, not a can, is a laser that we are using. And this laser is helping to cut and then to give the shape that we want to the sheet. And then from here we can see this is the work that is doing, and the sheet that is cutting is this sheet, this one. Then from here we are going to get the shape that we want. Let go, and then there also is another laser machine that is helping. And then there, as we can see there are the engineers, they are working on it. All the engineers are working on it are professional. They know what they are doing. They are working hard to make everything perfect. Let's come with me, and then let's go to the other side actually. Okay, from this side actually we can see this is where the main products are made actually. Everything are coming from here, from the scratch. As where we are going, we will introduce everything, but we have to go fast because people are working, and then we will show each part a bit faster. It will not take that much time actually. Let's go with me, and then we are going to see everything. Actually from here, we can see we have a lot of projects going on. A lot of projects are going on, and then from those projects actually, we will see the beginning of the project and the end of the project. From now, the factory are very, very busy. It's like the high peak season where people are ordering a lot of equipment, and then from there we can go and see all the equipment from where they are made, from which one we can see. Actually, as we can see from here, all the equipment, all are the equipment mounted for the solid control system. You can see them, people are working. They are doing a lot of work for it. All these things they are made from the scratch. The idea came from the scratch, and then for me to get the final product is very, very difficult. But we have high quality, high professional engineers who are working on it. They are working hard every day to make the product being good, and even the material that we are using is a very, very good material, different from many companies. And then this material are heavy material that are making everything be good and work perfectly. Come with me, let's go fast because here people are working. As you can see, we are trying to show you how everything is made from the scratch, how the projects are going. As you can see the other side there, they are doing some mud tank. The mud tank are there. They are, from there they will take it to the other workshop. The workshop there, and from the other workshop they will paint it, they will refine it, and then from here is where everything is made from the scratch. The other side also we have the full tank there. The other tank are there. They are making it from the scratch also. Which everything is starting from nothing. Let's work and be fast actually. You see, as you can see, all our workers have security shoes, security masks. They are working in a good condition so that they won't get sick, they won't get any problem. the first goal in our company is safety first. Worker first and the other one better. So let's go and continue. All of these here are like the project that we are going on. Those are the mountain for the solid control system. At the end of this thing, we are going to show you one of the hand product and how they are made. But actually, this is how they are making them, and then how they were made. Let's go. From here, we can see those are the final product which are ready to be shipped. These, as we can see here by the shape, we know this is a mat cleaner. It's really made from is ready to be shipped. The other one there is like a safe shaker. It's ready to be shipped actually. And then let's go with me. This one is a HDD. As you can see the other side also, which we are showing you. People are working actively to make the product good for you, so that when you come and ask for good products, you know how everything are made from the scratch actually. So there it is. After here, actually, after this space, after where people are working at, we are going to show you one of the final products where we are stocking the final product, where after the final product we are going to ship them. Let me show you some of the final product where are done and ready to be shipped. Some are being assembled already, and let's show. Let's see this one, for example. This one is a jet fuel, is ready to be shipped, a big jet fuel and everything. Those are the mud tank and mud control system. They are there, ready to be shipped, all of them. You can see they are the final product. From where we came from nothing to here, actually, that's made like people are working actively to make good product for you. And then from here, I think we are done. We have been talking about introducing everything, every part of the company, every part of the factory, everything that is needed. We have been talking about. So anything that you need to know. Our products are made to be are ready to be exported. Our product can be customized as the way you want. It can be customized in the way that you want. For example, we can take an example for this for the mat cleaner. If you want a mat cleaner with 10 deciliter, 12 deciliter, 18 deciliter, we can make it as like the way you want. So anything that you want, you can contact us. You can call us and tell us which product that you want. We are ready to make it. Thank you for listening to me, and then ready to hear anything anytime soon for you guys. Yeah. Okay. Done. Over.